Hello. I know I said I'm not gonna do any content for the year, but I need to fix the car and might as well do some content on it. So just a quick brief explanation of what happened. The estate that we live in, the spikes or the gate system malfunctioned, and I'm gonna throw some photos in here now of what happened to the car. So as I was driving out and the light was green and everything, the boom went up, spikes went down. As I went out, the spikes malfunctioned. I actually heard it malfunctioning while I'm busy driving over it, and it slashed all four of my tires. After that, the insurance came to fetch the car. The estate is paying out to fix the tires. They went to go store the car, and as they stored the car, where they stored the car, somebody placed another car on top of my car. It's now not massive big damage, but it's unnecessary damage that happened. I'm here by Sean. Hello, Sean. Hello, hi. So I'm just gonna do a walk around the car quick to show you guys the damages that was caused. It's a bit windy here. You can see here on the front bumper, it scraped right through. The indicator lens is broken out, the light was cracked. There is some damage to the tires here, or the rims, that I'm going to replace. And then they broke the light there. They apparently couldn't get the boot open, so that I need to fix. So I'm going to do all the stuff myself. So we can start now by replacing the headlamp. It's just a slight gap there, but I'll ask Fire to sort that out. So the light is in, thanks to Sean. I think I must stick to editing.
Yes, please.
And the engine bay is quite dirty. I really need to, I think, what is that, what to make steam clean? You can see here, it's quite dirty. Yeah, so that's it for now. Next up is the bumper. Going to get the paint mixed on Saturday and then send it to Fire. And then this here and all this black strips, Fabian and me is going to take off and spray, and as well as this weather strips here on the window. But yeah, that's just a quick one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'll probably document all the things that we're going to do on the car now. I just want to pull the car out, get everything ready, sorted, clean the engine bay, send it for polish again, and then slowly but surely we'll start with the car eventually. Till next time, cheers.